Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix fast charging not working on your Motorola Moto G55. So first, we need to make sure that the phone is supporting the fast charging. So yes, Moto G55 supports fast charging. It comes with a 30-watt turbo powered charging, and basically it has a 5000 milliampere hours of the battery. So now that we know that fast charging is definitely in the phone, we need to check the cable and the charger for any damage or compatibility if we're not using the original one. So after that, what you guys want to do is get something to clean, because we're gonna clean the charging port. So you guys can use a non-metallic tool, because remember, this phone is a USB-C. We don't want to damage everything, and we need to make sure that there's nothing inside of the port. Now, what you guys can do after cleaning it is test another fast charger or an outlet one. So you guys want to check that out if another charger actually uses the fast charging and if it's your charger's fault. But if both of them are not working, then what you guys can do is update the software to fix any charging glitches, because it can be a very annoying glitch. And now after you unlock the phone, go over to settings and scroll all the way down until you guys see the system updates. Now here, click on check for updates, and as you guys can see, I will run the latest version. So I'm running the latest version of the Motorola, and that's basically what you guys can also do. So I recommend you guys updating your software. It's very important if you don't want any annoying glitches to be on your device. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.